Hello everybody, I've got two really cool books back from CGC. They came back a day apart. They're higher value books. So one of them was a mid-grade book, one of them is a high-grade copy that we're hoping to get a grade bump on. One was a raw copy, and I'm hoping to also get an improvement on the original grade as well. So let me get these things opened up and let's see what we got here. Alright, the first book is Tomb of Dracula, number 10, First Appearance of Blade. Yeah, I got this as a raw copy. I thought it was about a 4.5-ish, 5.0 when I got it. I got it for a really good price. So I'm hoping that I can get it up to like a 6.5, 7.0. It was really heavily soiled. Had quite a few pressable defects. Unfortunately, it looked nicer online than it actually was. I was hoping for actually 8.0 on this book, but once I got it in and I ran it through my grading tool, I honestly think this thing's going to be capped at a 7.0. So 6.5, 7.0, we'll be very happy. We'll do very well. You know, I think this is about a $1,000 book in a 7.0-ish, something like that. So if we could just get to that, I'll be very, very happy because this is a beautifully presenting copy of this book. This thing looks really good. I mean, it looks like from here, I mean, it looks every bit of a 9.0. I mean, the staples, though, kind of hold it back. If you don't look at the staples, it's a 9.0. Otherwise, it looks like 8.0, something like that. I forget what the reason was it was capped, but there's a really good reason on here, and I just can't remember what it is. But anyway, hoping for that 6.5, 7.0. So let's see how CGC treated us on this book. Okay, 7.0, and it got off-white pages. I was afraid this would get the cream to off-white pages, so I'm very happy to actually have off-white pages on this book. That is a big win. So first time I've worked on this book, but very, very happy to get that 7.0. I mean, this book just looks great. Somebody's going to snatch this book up at 7.0 because it is a beautifully presented copy. All right, the next one, a little bit bigger book, I think. I hope. This is Amazing Spider-Man 194, First Black Cat. Now, if you look carefully at this book, you'll notice something. Anybody see it? Yeah, it's the yellow bar error. Apparently when this book, I don't know the exact history of this, but I think from what I can gather that when this book was originally being printed, initially it had this error in it, so they stopped printing, they halted printing, they fixed it, and then they continued on. I don't know how many books in the population, but it's actually pretty hard to find this book. I don't know what percentage of the population has this error. Maybe somebody in the comments can let me know if they have a guess. But I don't know, it does fetch a lot higher prices than the non-error books. So this one is an ultra high grade copy. I bought this as a 9.2. I paid, there was really no other comparables, so I just paid what I thought it was worth. I kind of paid the same as maybe a Canadian price variant. I thought that was a good price. That's actually what I bid. I actually got it for a lot less than that. So I got a good price, I thought, on this book. I'm just hoping for a 1 grade bump to 9.4. A little nervous about this one because this is a big book. Let's see how CGC treated us on this Amazing Spider-Man 194. Yes. I was holding out hope that maybe it could get that 9.6. But I am thrilled, thrilled to get my 9.4 because that is the target grade that I was hoping for when I got this book. There is a pretty significant tick right here. I mean, I wouldn't say like significant, but significant for a 9.4, 9.6. And I think that holds it back. Otherwise, I mean, if you just look at this book, it looks like a 9.6 or even a 9.8. This is a beautiful book. It presents like a 9.6 or 9.8. Corners are extremely sharp. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Stay nerdy, and I'll see you in the next video.